This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review, we're going to look at this product from Garvee. This is their 10,000 pound set of hydraulic car ramps. So this is kind of the best of both worlds. They are car ramps and they also jack your tires up, the front or the rear of your vehicle up. You know, a lot of vehicles are too low to have really steep ramps, so this solves the issue with that. So you have a low approach angle, you get up onto the ramps themselves, and then you jack them up. Very simple. So these are red, good construction overall. Again, the pair supports up to 5 tons or 10,000 pounds. Comes with just bottle jacks underneath here, and you just lift each side up after you get the car on. So what I'm going to do is just show you how these work. I'm going to get a minivan on here, and we'll jack it up and just show you how to use this and the benefits, as well as the advantages of being able to jack a car up a little bit higher than what standard car ramps can do, and I will show you that here next. Alright guys, so got the ramps ready to go here. We're going to put them underneath my van and show you how to do it. So we'll get ready here. I'm going to go ahead and kind of put them under and align everything real quick. So once you get them lined up, we'll go ahead and drive the vehicle up. Just like that. And one thing I'd recommend doing is, as long as you have an automatic car, leave the parking brake off. Reason being, what these jacks are going to do is they're going to cause the vehicle to raise up further, but you want to have your back wheels to where they'll freewheel, because naturally it's going to move forward and backward just a tiny bit, and you don't want anything happening. So basically what you do now is make sure that your relief valves are tight, and then start jacking up. We'll see how far these go. Awesome. So it kind of looks like your highest, safest bet is there's holes. I'll show you here in just a second. So I'll go ahead and release it a little bit. There's 3 holes as like safety catches. So what I just showed you was the highest that this will go that you could see here. But I want to show you, I lowered it back down because there's 3 safety catches right here, depending on how high you need the jack to go. And so that's the highest you can go safely, because if the jack fails and this falls down, obviously that's not a good day. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, and then I'll show you what it looks like from the front, from the side with it. It jacks up pretty easily. Again, with it bottle jack and metal ramps, these ramps are pretty heavy, but they're not too bad, all things considered. Let me get the other side up and we'll show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so there you go. I was a little off on the right, but you can see the premise still's operating just fine. You just want to get everything lined up, but you can see how high this goes compared to where it was originally. So you know, originally we were down here, and we've got that much more clearance. So a good 5 or 6 inches, I would say. And then you can obviously get down here, inspect the vehicle, and do whatever you need to down here now. So good news is everything's nice and dry up under here, because I had a bunch of leaks that I needed to fix, and I've fixed them already. But we're good. So yeah, not too bad, and that's how the ramps go. So I'll show you again one more time on a closer up. So obviously I need to realign that one a little bit, but this one's right here on the middle, and it's perfect. So very happy with that. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's pretty easy. Like I said, you got the safety catches here, metal ramps, heavy duty, up to 10,000 pounds. Alright guys, so that is everything on these car ramps. Again, the best of both worlds. You have the ramps to drive up on, and then you have the jack to jack the front end up, and you should be good. So thanks again for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this review, found it helpful and informative, and I'll catch y'all on the next video.